All right, sir. Good evening, guys. Radhe Radhe. So that's how I'm enjoying my evening today. Jai Shri Sham, Jai Shri Ram. So Yan is enjoying Domino's. So say he loves Domino's cheesy pizzas. Very nice. And along with that, he's also applying aloe vera jelly and moisturizing lotion, so he could keep himself, his skin more hydrated. Safe. Yes, sir. Domino's, you need to work on your quality, please. At least Palam, Dabdi mode, right? So the store, please know that you need to really work on your quality. At present, the quality that I can see, right, the cheese, the amount of cheese, right, so that needs to be improved. If you need 5 star from us, make sure you give us uh, yeah, whatever uh, best you can do in terms of whatever we've ordered. So here you go, right? This is what you need to make sure, get your entrepreneurship, as well as make sure you start using tab, phone, right? Well, play the game. That's what matters. What matters is that you play the game that's known as entrepreneurship and digital entrepreneurship. So you can register yourself with startup lanes, right? Whenever you have time, you're at home and you're free, you can do that. However, register from your heart. So register from your heart with Power of Love, Startup Lanes, Forever, and also I've uploaded a form. So with the form, what you can do now, you can share your resume also with me. So if in case in life you really want to be someone who can assist with travel by flight, by air, by I wouldn't say rocket at present. However, yeah, if in case you want to include rocket, you can include rocket as well. So what you can include is food for the rocket, right? So make sure in space what any space IPO, right? Space startup IPO launch, that'll be the best that we could do for our country. So for India, get a space startup launch too, right? Along with that, get yourself signed up for health and wealth as soon as possible. Complete your 2cc and every month do the business of 2cc. Along with that, consume 2cc. So advise the same so you can get 4, 8 and all your numbers that you need in life. However, enjoy the new home through the bonus that you can qualify every year. So become a travel agent too along with me. And yeah, keep posting videos, keep clicking pictures, whatever you can while holding. Yay, we won forever lips.